Viewers, this is your pal EMD SD14R. This is a mini video. It's a compare-contrast video of my custom F24C compared to the Rapido FL9. Let's look at some different spotting features of both these engines. So let's start with the F24C. So this is basically a 6-axle F unit that basically rides on an Atlas SD24 chassis, and I built this like 6 or 7 years ago, probably longer than that. Obviously it's still not finished, but I will be getting around to doing it. I basically had to combine two Athearn blue box shells to make this one unit. But due to the fact that it's a 6-axle F unit and there's really no space underneath for fuel for air tanks, the air tanks were relocated to the roof, just like the SD24. It is equipped with HEP. There's also a matching B unit that goes with this. Here's the rear of the unit. And then if we take a look to the FL9 on the right, they're very similar as far as details are concerned. Now the F24C, I conceived the idea for that unit based off of the Australian CFL class, A class, and B class engines that I've seen, and I basically made an American version of it. But if you're looking at the two units, if you look at the flexi-coil trucks on this unit and the flexi-coil 6-axle truck on the rear of the FL9, they're pretty much identical as far as details are concerned. Obviously, the Rapido one has far better detail than the custom one that I did. But I was getting ideas, and I looked, and it appears that the Rapido shell will fit on the Atlas SD24 chassis, so I might go ahead and redo this unit again, but using a Rapido shell. But if you look at the details as to how the length between the two units was different, you'll see where the units were stretched. So on the FL9, the unit was stretched more or less back here and in this section here, whereas on the F24C, this whole center section was stretched out to accommodate the extra length. Now theoretically, the F24C could be equipped with third rail, so this extra space here could be used to house the electrical equipment to make this third rail operable, but it isn't third rail operable. Yeah, but I wanted to do a comparison video. Let me just move them nose to nose like this, and you can see the F24C on the right is probably a foot longer than the FL9. So the real dimensions of the FL9 are that it's 11 feet shorter than an E unit. So based on that information, the F24C is about 12 feet shorter than an E unit because it's a length longer than the FL9. So just a little bit of a comparison right there. I've already did test runs with both units, and they actually run great together. Obviously, like I said before, the Rapido has far greater detail. Those are the cooling coils right there on the roof. I think I might do that with this unit, but I'm not sure. If I do end up getting a Rapido shell for this chassis, it will be when Rapido brings out the modernized version of the FL9. But I have done, let me see if I can actually do this. But I have done my research, and both shells actually like this shell can fit on this chassis. I've already done the visual, like like the visual measurements for that. But yeah, they look great together. They really do. Two oddball F units, one kit bashed by me and one made by a model railroad company. I mean, it's amazing how two different F units with two different ideas look so similar as far as certain details are concerned. But I just wanted to do this comparison video because I mentioned that I would do it when I debuted the FL9, and yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I am planning on getting another FL9. Hopefully, that's going to be very soon. I'm not sure yet. I got a lot of things on my plate right now that I got to catch up on. But I'll keep you guys posted, okay? God bless and take care. Bye.